this 1 mark question, we are asked or told or given the equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared is equal to 42.25. We are asked to find the radius of this circle. So equations of circles in GCSE maths is in the form x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared, where r is your radius. Okay, but it's always written in the format of x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared, and the origins of center is 0, 0, and the radius is equal to r. So r squared is equal to 42.25, and r is equal to the square root of 42.25. Okay, which I'm going to plug into my calculator here. So I've mentioned here, it is a paper 3 here, so Edexcel IoT paper 3. So I'll plug it into my calculator, guys. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so square root 42.25. Press the execute button and press format. Okay, we're going to decimalize it to decimal 6.5. That's what we get, guys, is 6.5. So the radius of the circle is 6.5. Okay, and that, guys, is our final answer. Okay, so don't forget to revise equations of circles, okay, in the form or format x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Now all circles in GCSE maths are in this format. Center origin, so 0, 0, and the radius is the square root of the number at the end.